Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another DIY or recycle, reuse, kind of doing a makeover on these little houses that did not store very well. They were all this raw wood right here, and they had this little candle down inside. As you can see, this one broke out, and some of the others didn't make it well either. See, like his little antlers are missing and things like that. So what I decided to do was on the roof I put a wash as well as around the edges, and I decided to cover it all the way around. And so what I've done, I picked out a cloth I wanted to use. I thought about using burlap or something like that. So I just used some old file folders, and I cut out the shapes I needed to be able to cover the front, the back, and the sides. And I used a really thick tacky glue on the back side and stuck it down on the cloth that I wanted to use. As you can see, I've left room in between so that when I cut these, I'll have a little bit of fold that I can completely cover these little cardstock pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and cut those out, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, so as you can see, we just did a quick wrap on these. Got those glued down. Now we're ready to start covering the little house. So I just go in. Okay, so here we have our little houses covered, and you have a couple of options. You can just do something decorative on them, like put a little wreath or something like that. What I had decided to do was use some wooden letters and spell out joy. So we're going to glue a J-O-Y on there. Now, I like my things to be whimsical, so it's going to be a little crooked when it goes on purpose. Now, something else that you could do, if you just wanted to add even more, you could have wrapped these in like a burlap string or something like that. Would have been really cute. You could take lace and do a little bit around the roof line if you wanted to just finish off the roof a little more. it's really whatever you want to do. So there's our little Y stuck on there as well. You could also use quilt batting or fiberfill stuffing. You could put some snow on your roof or even white paint. Just paint some snow on the roof. It's limitless, guys, whatever your imagination could come up with. This could even match a particular room, like if you had a snowman room, for example. Maybe just cover these all in a blue and make a snow scene. Put a little snowman on here where I used material. You wouldn't have to do that. You could just paint some cardboard or whatever you wanted to cover it with, or use a solid material to cover it. And then you could make little individual snowmen and put on there, for example. It's limitless, really, depending on the room that you want to put it in, on how you want to decorate it. And they would have even been cute, just solid color, maybe solid white. And then just put them up on a shelf. So anyway, just wanted to share. I thought it was a lot of fun, and to get another year or two out of these little inexpensive houses that were falling apart. So I hope you guys have a great week this week, and that you've been inspired to reuse yet another one of your Christmas decorations. Maybe just give it a little update and use it in a different way. See you guys next week. Bye.